Hello everyone, I hope you all are safe at home. Today we are going to learn chapter number 1 of physics, that is matter. Matter. Anything which occupies space and has mass is called matter. Every living or non-living thing around us is made up of matter. Matter is composed of molecules and molecules are made up of atoms. Molecule is the smallest particle which can exist freely in nature and retains all the properties of the matter. A molecule is made up of atoms of different kinds. Types of molecules are monatomic molecule, diatomic molecule and polyatomic molecule. A monatomic molecule is composed of just one atom. Examples are noble gases, helium, neon, argon, etc. Diatomic molecule, a molecule which is composed of only two atoms. Example, hydrogen molecule and oxygen molecule. Polyatomic molecule. A polyatomic molecule is a molecule made up of three or more atoms. Example, water molecule. The characteristics of molecule according to the kinetic theory of matter are as follows. Number 1. Molecules are in state of continuous motion and possess kinetic energy. Therefore, the gases have the highest kinetic energy, liquid have less, and solids have least kinetic energy. The kinetic energy of a molecule increase with an increase in temperature and decrease with decrease in temperature. The molecule of a matter are always attractive to each other. The force of attraction between molecules of a matter is called intermolecular force of attraction. Molecules of matter have space between them and this space is known as intermolecular space. If the molecular space between the molecules decreases, the intermolecular force of attraction increases. The molecules of a matter always attract each other. The intermolecular force is maximum in solid, less in liquids and least in gases. Force of cohesion. The force of attraction between the molecules of similar kind is called force of cohesion. Example, formation of water droplets by combination of water molecules. Force of adhesion. The force of attraction between different types of molecule is called force of adhesion. Example, when we write on the blackboard using a piece of chalk, the molecules of chalk stick to the board due to force of adhesion. The space between two consecutive molecules is called intermolecular space. In solids, the intermolecular space is negligible. In liquids, the intermolecular space is more as compared to solid, and in gases, the intermolecular space is largest. Now we will see an experiment to demonstrate the existence of intermolecular space of matter. Take a glass, half fill it with water and mark the level from outside. Add a spoon of salt and stir it well. Observe the water level. You will see that the water level remains the same. This indicates that the salt particle have accommodated the space that is present between the molecules of water. The matter is classified into three states based on the following properties. Number 1, the intermolecular force of attraction, intermolecular space between the molecules, and the kinetic energy possessed by the molecules. The three states of matter based on these properties are solid, liquid, and gases. Arrangement of molecules in solid. In solid, the molecules are very tightly packed, but they still have the intermolecular space. As intermolecular space is very small, the molecules attract one another with strong force. The strong intermolecular force of attraction holds the molecule at one particular place. Hence, they have very small vibration about their mean position. Therefore, the solids have least kinetic energy. Due to the fixed position of molecules, the solid have definite shape and definite volume. As the molecules attract each other with a strong force, it is therefore difficult to break the solids. That is, solids are generally rigid and hard. Arrangement of molecules in liquids. Molecules are less tightly packed in liquids. The molecules in liquid attract each other with a less force as compared to solids. The intermolecular force of attraction is less and the molecules do not stay at the same position and they move from one place to another. Due to less force of attraction between the molecules of the liquids do not have any particular shape. A particular quantity of liquid has a definite volume at a given temperature. Why? Because the number of molecules and the intermolecular space in a particular quantity of liquid at a constant temperature is always same. Arrangement of molecules in gases. The force of attraction between molecules is least in the case of gases. The intermolecular force is so less that they can spread in the entire space in which they are enclosed. Gases have neither a definite shape nor a definite volume, as their molecules move independently due to very small intermolecular force between them. Few properties of solid, liquid and gases are shown below. Mass. Solid, liquid and gases have definite mass. Shape. Solid have definite shape while liquid and gases acquire the shape of the container. Compressibility. Solids are not compressible. Liquids are also almost negligible in compressibility. Gases are highly compressible. Diffusion. Diffusion in case of solid and solid is very slow. Diffusion in case of liquid and liquid is fast, while the diffusion between gases and gases is very fast. Density. Due to very less intermolecular space, solids are highly dense. Due to presence of small intermolecular space, liquids are slightly less dense. Since the intermolecular space between the molecules is very high in case of gases, so they are very lessly dense. Interparticular force, also called intermolecular force, it is strongest in case of solids, slightly weaker in liquids and negligible in case of gases. Expansion on heating. Solids expand less on heating, liquid expand more. The highest expansion is in case of gases. Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is least in cases of solid, large in case of liquids and maximum in case of gases. Change of state of matter. The change of state of substance from one physical state to another, either by absorption or rejection of heat at constant temperature, is called change of state of matter. Very important terms: absorption or rejection of heat and at constant temperature. See the flow chart given below. Solid, liquid and gases. When a solid absorbs the heat, it changes into liquid and the process is called melting. Liquid reject the heat and convert into solid. This process is known as freezing. Liquid absorb heat and they form gaseous state and this process is called vaporization. Gases reject heat and form liquid and this process is called condensation. Solids can also directly change into gas by absorption of heat. This process is called sublimation. Similarly, gases can also directly change from gas to solid state by rejection of heat and this process is called deposition or also known as solidification. Now we will learn few terms related to change of state of matter. The first is fusion. It is a process during which a solid change into its liquid state at constant temperature. Very important, a constant temperature by absorption of heat. Melting point. The fixed temperature at which melting occurs is known as the melting point of the solid. Vaporization. Again, it is the process during which a liquid change into vapor at constant temperature by absorption of heat. Boiling point. It is a fixed temperature at which boiling occurs. Condensation. It is the process during which vapor change into liquid at constant temperature by releasing heat. Condensation point. It is the fixed temperature at which condensation occurs. Freezing. It is the process during which a liquid change into its solid state at constant temperature by releasing heat. Freezing point. The fixed temperature at which freezing occurs is called freezing point. Sublimation. It is the process during which a solid directly converts into its gaseous state by absorption of heat. Solidification. It is the process in which a gas condenses directly into its solid state by rejecting heat. Latent heat. It is the heat absorbed or released by a substance during its change of state without any change in the temperature. Latent heat is responsible for overcoming the force of attraction between the molecules. In the next class, we will study change of state of matter in detail. So, now I hope that you will study well and learn all the topics. Stay home, stay safe.